Troy University's Small Business Development Center and Idea Bank held an open house Friday morning, which included a ribbon cutting to showcase some of the changes that have taken place in downtown Troy. No matter how bizarre you may think your ideas are, they are perfectly safe here at the Idea Bank. Today I joined students, faculty, organizations, and small business owners to learn more.
We want to support economic development by helping small business owners and to get started, develop marketing strategies, go international with the International Trade Center, or even acquire government contracts with our procurement team.
Students set out tables showcasing their small businesses and inspiring community members with their entrepreneurship. But there is one place in common that students give their thanks to.
The Idea Bank has been very beneficial to Short the Squirrel, which is what I have brought to the Idea Bank. It has been a housing for all of our products and all of the books that we have here. It's been a great mentorship and just how to network and how to use the different things that you learn here at Troy University and actually apply them to your ideas and to your company.
And while the SBDC members are excited for what is to come, Chancellor Jack Hawkins sees this $500,000 addition as more opportunities for student success.
I've maintained since the day I arrived in 1989, one of our biggest challenges is to take this bushel basket off the light so everyone can see what's here. This is a fertile ground. We want them to exercise their creativity, combine it with business practices, and really help them become the business people that they have the potential to be.
The SBDC is continuing to work on their student launchpad to help students work with consultants and start up their small businesses. If you are interested in starting your own small business, you can visit the SBDC office on the square in downtown Troy. Zeta Ingram, Troy, Trojan Vision News.